Wanna know how to trigger guaranteed additionals in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Triggering guaranteed additional is super easy. So additional attacks aren't pure luck in Dokkan. So build teams with support units that boost ki and attack. This is really important. So make sure you put additional nodes in hidden potentials as well. So you also need to link units, that's your key links. So basically higher key increases super frequency and more supers means more additionals. It looks random, but synergy really matters in this game. So make sure you build smarter and luckier, which guarantees additionals. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.